Welcome to Women in Tech, a community designed to empower women. As COVID-19 swept the world, there has been a lot of discussion about how this is going to impact the tech industry's future. What started out as just a few weeks of working from home has now evolved into how we live and work forever. Over 43% of U.S. workers have transitioned into working from home as a prevention mechanism. Do you know that the average American has now begun to stream online content for 8 hours or more each day? That's right, traditional definition of office life has been put to rest forever. But how will it evolve as we start going back to work? Well, before we go any further, let's get some context around the pre-COVID work situation. The fight for flexible work arrangements started back in 2000s. Since then, employees have been trying to push for flexible work hours. 80% of U.S. workers reported that having a flexible work arrangement was a deciding factor on whether they should take the job. Since 2015, remote work grew by 44%. Women in the workforce are delaying having children because of lack of flexibility and financial implications. 3 out of 5 employees said that they delayed starting having a family so they can reach a certain level in their career where they could get some flexibility. And now COVID-19 expedited what employees have been trying to push for over a decade. One thing is for sure, remote work is going to be here to stay. Big companies like Facebook are now taking initiative by telling employees to work remotely for the rest of the year. And Facebook now has a 3-year plan to move more than 50% of their employees to remote work. Google has begun to rotate employees on-site for a few days each week while ensuring facilities remain at only 10% occupancy at all times. Twitter has taken a different approach. Twitter employees, where virtually all the employees will be working from home permanently. So how is the tech industry going to change post-COVID-19? Well, there's going to be a lot of move out of the Silicon Valley. With more companies offering work-from-home options, the tech talents are looking to move away from major hubs into places that have a lower cost of living. For example, if someone's making $146,000 in Silicon Valley, that's worth around $224,000 in, say, Austin, Texas, or Denver, Colorado. 34% of employees are also willing to take a pay cut if they can remain remote full-time. Number 2, cybersecurity. As more companies provide employees with remote work options, there is going to be an increase in access to company data on personal devices. And this is going to heighten the cybersecurity, and that will be mandatory. Number 3, methods of feedback and performance review will be based on data. With lower in-person interaction, management will now decide promotions based on data, which is going to help close the gender pay gap. You want to know how? Well, let me show you. 57% of female remote employees get raises because productivity and workplace satisfaction is way higher for employees that have flexible work environments. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos every Thursday. Join our community. Together we can make a difference.